What's up, guys? This is Teamy here with another video, and today we will be doing more Topps Bunt pack openings. Today, if you scroll down, we will doing Topps Valor. I know this came out for football, but I never knew it came out for baseball, so I'm really excited. I've gotten no trades yet from anyone, so if you want to add me in a trade, up here on the top left corner, it says Andershark09. That is my username. Okay, let's get on into it. We have 97 coins. So we will be opening, I thought it was 29 packs. Yeah, it's okay. 4,000 per pack. One guaranteed uncommon cards, rare card 1 out of 5, super rare card 1 out of 60, iconic gold signature relic 1 out of 1,000 out of 500. Iconic Derek Jeter collection gold signature motion card, 20,000. That's hard to get. And just to let you guys know, if I go back to the store and I go to Gypsy Queen Series 2, do you see base signature or Terry Diamond signature card? That's what I got last time. I thought I got the 1 out of 100 one. So let's do this. Let's hopefully get some SIGs today. I love my SIGs. Yandy Diaz, nice start off. That was nothing. Nada. Okay, let's do this. Oh, well, I knew that was Shane Bieber, but I accidentally skipped to it. Prestige? Let's see. Prestige. Shane Bieber, let's go. It's clutch. 4,000 coins. Max Fried, is that another Prestige? Wow. We're getting nothing. I really want my SIG, boy. It was base. I really want my SIGs. Let's go. Okay. I feel like maybe halfway through, once we get our first big pull, we'll switch to Gypsy Queen. We were pulling a lot of good stuff in there. Yeah, I don't think I have any luck with this. Once I get down to 50,000 coins, you know, I'll go back to... See, I got JD Prestige. Okay, let's do this. Let's get one sick pull. We're upcoming. Oh, that's pretty good. I don't know what percentage this is, but that's pretty good. I knew that. What was that? Gold base rare. So that's only 1 out of 5. So it's okay. We were guaranteed that pretty much. That's not what you want to see. Okay, it's a Prestige. I'm wrecking those. Yeah, I'm having no luck with this Valor. Okay, let's do this. One more for it. Are you kidding me, guys? I'm getting nothing. Okay, we're at 61K. We're gonna go down to 50K, please. Topps Valor is not doing me any good. I do like that card though. Okay, we're gonna open one more. Let's open 2 more packs. Oh, that's a pretty good pull. That's a patch card. Now that's a pretty good pull. I have no idea how much that goes. Is that? But that's a decent pull. Let's see what that is. Relic base. Okay. Let's see how much this is. Rare, that's not very good. 3,600. Super rare cards, 1 out of 60 though. Let's do one more pack. We just pulled a pretty good card. Let's do one more pack. Yep, nothing. Nada. It's not a very good card. Okay, we're just gonna go back to Gypsy Queen because I was having a lot of luck with Gypsy Queen. Oh baby. JD, another Simeon. Okay, we got a blue. It's okay. It's okay. Roberts. Okay, gold. Bro, let's get one actually good card that we want. Bro. No. I think all the pack luck in the first pack opening just disintegrated away from the second pack opening. Because we're not getting very good cards. So we're getting on the bases. Okay, Scott Kingery, Patrick Reed, that's probably it. Yep, not a very good pack. We're pulling poop. Okay, I'll take that. We want a signature, but it's George Springer. Ew, we got terrible diamonds. It's okay. We want to get a signature. You make your mind. Okay, let's go. I'm hoping Gypsy Queen Series 3 will come out because I love Gypsy Queen. Okay, what will this be? Poop. Nothing. Nada. Zero. Okay, we have our last couple of packs. Oh, that's a Christian Yelich. Let's go. Bro, that is clutch. Let's go. That's 1 out of 25, too. That's pretty good. That is pretty good. Base signature. I don't care. That's an okay pull. That's 1 out of 25. Here's something. One Soto. We have something right here. Oh, it's an Age of Swords there and Judge. It's the one that we already got signature of. Let's do this. We got like 5 more packs. Okay, Demetrius Hoskins. Okay. Let's go Swerves, 16K. James Braxton, Buster Posey. Yeah, I think all of our pack luck is washed away from the first one. So I am sad. Okay. Ooh, okay. Not very good. Hey, but we're getting closer to the Gypsy Queen sets, which I kind of want to do. Okay, Blue Javi. Mickelson's over. Okay. Not ready to go back either. Come on. This is the last pack. I want one decent. And we get nothing. Dang it. I think that will be it. Unless we have new missions. We have 2 missions. We will be able to. Yep, we will be able to do one more pack for Gypsy Queen. Let's do this. On the last pack, can we get something good? No, we get nothing. We get nothing. Hey, let's go see what we pulled though. So we got. I kind of didn't want to spend too much on Valor because it was just straight poop. Okay, we already got that. Ooh. Okay, so we got 2 more less pulls. We have this John Gray rare card, which he's only 1 out of 5, so he's okay. And we got this patch, which I love. And then we also pulled this Christian Yelich one, and this one's rare. Let's see like the most rarest one. Besides, yeah, these 2 Valors, there's a lot. So, if any of you guys want to trade with me, I'll be very happy to. Yeah. Just add my name at @andershark09. You could trade with me. And I definitely recommend this app. But comment down below actually. Which one do you want me to do next? I was thinking about, before even doing the Gypsy Queen, I was gonna do Glory. Cause look how dope these cards are. No, it's another one. Series 2. Team color signature. Nope. Series 2. Rainbow signature super rare. This one's like the coolest thing in my opinion. Yeah. So I definitely want to do this. It just depends how much you guys want me to do it. So, thank you for watching this video. Bye. Have a nice day.